In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use blueprints in Wrike for 2025 step by step. If you're looking to efficiently organize and replicate your workflows in Wrike, blueprints are an incredibly powerful tool. They allow you to create templates that can be used again and again, saving you time and ensuring consistency across your projects. Let's get started. First, head over to your Wrike workspace. You'll want to ensure you're in the right environment so you can seamlessly navigate through the features. Once you're in your workspace, you'll need to click on Space. Spaces in Wrike are essentially containers where you manage your projects, so understanding how to use them is crucial to your workflow efficiency. Once you've clicked on Space, the next thing you'll see is the Space overview. Right beside that, you'll notice an option for space settings. Go ahead and click on that. Navigating through the settings will lead us to the specific feature we're focusing on today. Now in the Space Settings menu, you'll find an option labeled Blueprints. Click on Blueprints to access the Blueprint Management area. This space is where you can create, view, and manage all the blueprints for your projects. It's like having a canvas where you can store templates that encapsulate processes you use frequently. In the Blueprints area, you'll see a button that says Create Blueprint and click on it. This action will guide you into the creation process where you get to specify what exactly you want your blueprint to entail. You'll be prompted to select what you want to create. This can be a project or a task template depending on your needs. Choose the one that fits your requirements. Choosing the correct type is essential for ensuring that your blueprint serves its intended purpose. With your type selected, it's time to personalize your blueprint by typing in a project name. The name should be descriptive and meaningful, something that conveys the blueprint's purpose at a glance. A clear name will make it easier to find and apply the blueprint in the future. Finally, you can now take the opportunity to flesh out your blueprint. Add any tasks, subtasks, dependencies, descriptions, or other details that capture the processes you want to replicate. This is where the blueprint becomes a comprehensive template, ready to be used in future projects without having to start from scratch each time. And there you have it. You've just learned how to effectively create and use blueprints in Wrike, setting yourself up for streamlined success and productivity. Wrike's blueprint feature is a game changer for project management, and with this tutorial, you're now ready to harness its full potential. Happy planning and organizing!